This is a complicated looking page, but it's not as bad as it seems. What you need to do is get your packet, your paper packet that was in your backpack, and you need to find these pages that are on the screen. So you're looking for the pages called Pam and a map. You will also need scissors and a stapler. Number 3, when you found all this, you're going to cut along the dotted lines. Number 4, you're going to fold each page along the black lines. Then you're going to put the book together with page 1, 2, 3, 4 in the correct order. But you'll have to do it. Number 6 says the front cover and odd numbered pages should be face up. It's not going to be simple, but you're going to be able to problem solve. I trust you can do this. And then you can staple down one side to make it look like a book. If you haven't got a stapler, don't worry. You could just turn the corners over and pinch them with your thumb and your finger, or you can just leave them as they are, as long as you read them in the correct order. You're going to need them for the next slide. So you've got your book, you've made it up. What are you going to do? You're going to, number 1, read the book out loud. Number 2, you're going to blend letters to make words. Remember, like we practiced, like bat, b-at, k-at. You put the a and the t together and it says at. Bat, cat, mat, rat, tat. I can't think of any more. Okay, that's how you blend them. You put them together. Number 3, look at the pictures. Number 4, save the book and read again. And when you've practiced the book with your look, with your look, your think, and your reading, then you can watch the video that says click here for video, and it's all about short vowels. It's a good fun one. I like this one too. Have fun, try your best.